Laren Bautista sets the record straight, wala akong inagaw, walang nang-agaw. Basketball player Richie Rivero's girlfriend, Laren Bautista, sets the record straight. She didn't steal her current partner from Kapamilya actress Andrea Brillantes. In an interview, Laren said she was not the cause of the controversial breakup between Richie and Andrea. It can be recalled that some of Andrea's fans accused Richie of having an affair with Laren even during his relationship with the actress. Alam ko po yung katotohanan at wala naman po kaming inapakan na tao. Kaya kung mapapansin mo, we're very happy and nalalabas na namin kung ano yung meron kami, she said. Walang nag-overlap, walang inagaw, walang nang-agaw. Malinis po yung conscience namin na yung naging relationship namin ay malinis lang talaga, she added. Richie, in a past interview, claimed that Andrea tried to reconcile with him several times, but he was the one who rejected the actress. Dun lang tayo sa totoo. Hindi third party si Laren, alam nila yan. Huwag silang paklik-bait para makuha ang simpatsya ng tao at sirain kami. Mag-move on kami ng maayos nang walang nasasaktan dahil hindi na ako papayag na may madamay pang iba para lang sa good publicity nila, said Richie. Nakilala ko si Laren May 26. And alam nilang mag-best friend na wala na kami that time. We broke up a couple times na early this year kaya magulo na talaga. Nakikipagbalikan siya and nung last time na May 6 sinabi niya na wala na, and na because of the girl na alam naman niya na kasama ng friend ko yun na pumunta doon so paanong overlap doon hi. He added.